Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is little snacks with meat, cheese and some veggies. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need any type of meat which you have to cut in small pieces. Then add 100 grams of mozzarella cheese and mix it very well. Then add it into a pipe. Now let's put the meat into the forms. Also, you can do it with a spoon, but this way it looks way cuter. Then let's cut some small squares of red bell pepper and decorate it on top with some parsley and the red bell pepper, of course. Then let's plate it and it looks super cool and super delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you do, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching!